abaca,
aback, abacus, abalone, abandon,
Abandonware.
abase, abash, abaxial, abacial, abbey, abbey, abbot, abbreviation, abdicate, abdomen,
abduct,
aberrant, aberration, abetment,
abetter,
abhor, abhorrent, abident, abide, ability, abiogenesis, abject, abjure, ablation, ablative, oblout, ablaze, able,
abler, ablest,
ablution, ably, abnegate, abnormal, abnormality, aboard, abolition, about, above, abracadabra, abrasive, abreaction, abridge, abrogate, abrupt, abscess, abscission, abscond, absentee, absolute, absolve, absorb, absorption, abstain, abstemious, abstention, abstract, absurd, abundance, abundant, abusive, academia, academic, acaricide, accede, accelerate, acceleration, accent, accentuate, accept, acceptance, accessory, accident,
accidentally,
acclamation, acclimate, accolade, accommodate, accompaniment, accomplice, accomplish, accord, accordance, accountable, accredit, accreditation, accumulate, accurate, accusation, accustom, acephalous, acerbate, acerbic, acetaldehyde, acetate, acetone, acetylcholine, achieve, achievement,
accioti,
achromatic, acidimeter, acidosis, acidulate, acidulous, acknowledge, acme, acolyte, acoustic, acquaintance, acquiesce, acquire, acquisition, acquisitive, acquit, acquittal, acre, acrimonious, acrimony, acrophobia, across, act, actinium, actinomycin, action, active, activity, actomycin, actor, actual,
actuality,
actually, actuate, acumen, acupuncture, acute, adagio,
adamant,
adaptation, add, addendum, addition, additional, additive, adduce, adductor, adenocarcinoma,
adenoid,
adenomyosis, adept, adequate, adhere, ad hominem, ad infinitum,
adipose,
addit, adjective, adjoin, adjudicate, adjustment, ad lib,
ad libitum,
admeasure, administer, administration, admiral, admiration, admissible, admission, admonish, admonition, adolescent, adopt, adorable, adorn, adrenocorticotropic, adrift, adroit, adsorb, adulation, adult, adultery, adumbrate, advance, advantage,
advantageous,
adventive, adventure, adventurous, adverb, adversary, adverse, adversity, advertisement, advice, advise, advocacy, advocate, additum, aerial, aerobatics, aeroembolism,
aeronaut,
aeronomy, aerospace, aerostatics, aerothermodynamics,
Aesculapius.
aesthetic, aestheticism, affable, affect, affectation, affectionate, afferent, affiance, affidavit, affiliate, affiliation, affinity, affirmative, afflatus, affliction, affluent, affricate, affusion,
Afghanistan,
aficionado, aflutter, aforementioned, afraid,
afreet,
Africa,
after, afterbirth, after effect, aftermath, afternoon, again, against, agamic, agapanthus, agape, agaric, agave, age, agency, agenda, agenesis, aggiornamento, agglutinate, aggrandize, aggravate, aggregate, aggress, aggressive, aggrieved, aghast, agile, aegis, agitate, agitator, ago, agonistic, agony, agraph, agrarian, agrarianism, agree, agreeable, agree, agreement, agriculture, agrimony,
ague, ahead, ahimsa, aid, aguil, ailment,
air, airplane, airport, aisle, akin,
Alabama,
a la carte, alacrity, a la mode, alanine, alarm, alarmist,
Alaska, Albania,
albatross, albeit, albinism, albino, albumin, albumin,
Albuquerque,
alkidi, alchemistic, alchemize, alcohol,
alcoholism,
aldehyde, aleatory, alembic, alurone,
alexandrine, alexandrite, alfalfa, alfresco,
algebraic, algolagnia, algorithm, alias, alienate, alienation, alignment, alike, aliment, alimentation, alimony, aliphatic, aliquot, alive, alizarin, alkahest, all, allantuous, allege, alleged, allegiance, allegory, allelomorph, alaman, allergic, alleviate, alley, alliance, alligator, alliterate, alliterative, allocution, allopatric, allotment, allow, allude, allusion, allusive, almanac, almighty, almost, along, aloof, alopecia, aloud, alpenglow. Alphabet, alphabetical, already, all right, also, alter,
altazimuth,
alteration, altercation, alternate, alternative, alternator, although, altitude,
alto,
alto cumulus, altogether, alto relievo, alto stratus, altricial,
altruism, altruistic,
aluminate, alveolar, always, alyssum, amalgam, amandine, amanuensis, amateur,
amaurosis,
amazement, ambige, ambassador, ambergris, ambidextrous, ambiguous, ambition, ambivalent, ambrosia, ambulacrum, ambulance, ambulant, ambulatory, ambush, ameliorate, amelioration, amendment, immerse,
America,
American, amethystin, amiable, amicable, amice, amid, amine, amitosis, amity, ammonia, ammonification, amnesia, amnesty, among, amorous, amorphous, amortization, amount, amour, amperage, amphibian, amphictyony, amphimixis, amphisbena, amphitheater, ample, amplification, amplify, ample, amuse, amusement, amylase, amylose, anabatic, anachronism, anaconda, anadem, anadromous, anagogy, anagram, anal, analects, analemma,
analgesia, analog, analogous, analog, analogy, analphabetic, analysis, anamnesis, anamorphic, anapest, anaphase, anaphora, anaphylactoid, anarchic, anarchist, anarchy, anastomosis, anathema, anatomy, ancestor, ancestral, ancestry, anchor, ancient, ankylostomiasis, and andante,
andantino,
andiron, andretium, androgynous, androsterone, anecdotage, anecdote, anemia,
anemograph,
anesthesia, anesthetist, anfractuosity, angelica, anger, angle, angrily, angriness, angry, anguish, animadvert, animal, animation, animosity, anisogamy, anisometropia, annihilate, annihilation,
anniversary,
annotation, announce, announcement, annoy, annoyance,
annual,
annunciate, anoint, anomalous, anomaly, anonymity, anonymous, another, answer, antagonism, antebellum, antecedent, antelope, antependium, anterior,
anther, anthologize, anthrax, anthropoid, anthropomorphic, anthropomorphism, antibiotic, antic, anticholinesterase,
anticipate, anticipation,
anticline, antidote, anti-federalist, antimony, antipathy, antiquate, antique, antiquity, antisocial, antithetical, antitrust, antonym, anxiety, anxious, anybody, anyone, anything, anyway, anywhere, apart, apartment, apathetic, apathy, aperitif, apex, aphasia, aphorism, apical, apiculture, aplomb, apocalyptic, apocryphal, apodictic, apologia, apologist, apologize, apophysis, aposiopesis, apostatize, apostrophe, appall, appanage, apparatus, apparent, appeal, appearance, appeasement, appellate, appendage, appendix, appertain, appetite, appetizer, applaud, apple, appliance, application, applied, applique, appoggiatura, appoint, appointment, apportion, apposition, appraisal, appreciate, apprehend,
apprehension,
apprehensive, appropriate, approval, approve, approximate,
approximately,
apraxia, April, aptitude, aquarelle,
aquarium, aqueduct, aquifer, arabesque, arachnoid, arbalist, arbitrament, arbitrary, arbitration, arboretum, arcade, arcane, archaeopteryx, archaic, archaism, archbishop, archegonium, archaeology, archetype, archipelago, architect, archival, arcuate, ardent, ardor, arduous, area, arena, arenicolous, arndt, argillaceous, argon, argue, argumentation, aria, arid, aristocrat, aristocratic, arithmetic,
Arizona, Arkansas,
arm, armadillo, armamentarium,
Armenia,
armorer, army, aromaticity, around, arraignment, arrange, arrangement, arrhythmic, arrival, arrive, arrogant, arrow, arroyo, arsenal, arsine, art, arterial, arteriosclerosis, arthralgia, article,
articulate,
articulator, artifice, artificial, artillery, artisan, aretinoid, ascariasis, ascarid, ascend, ascertain, ascetic, ascacarp, ascaspore, ascription, ashamed,
Asia,
aside, asinine, ask, askew, asleep, asparagus, aspect, aspergillosis, asphalt, aspirate, aspiration, aspire, assassin, assassinate, assault, assay, assemble, assembler, assent, assertion, assess, assessment,
asseverate,
assiduity, assiduous, assignment, assimilate, assimilation, assist, assistant, associate, association, assuage, assume, assumption, assurance,
assure,
assurgent, asterisk, asteroid,
asthenia,
asthenic, asthma, astonish, astonishment, astound, astragal, astragalus,
astride, astringent, astrology, astrometry, astronomy, astrophotography, astute, asylum, asymmetrical, asymmetry, ataman,
8,
atelier, atheism, athenaeum, athlete, athletic, athwart, Atlantic, atman, atmosphere, atmospheric, atom, atomic, atone, atonement, atrioventricular, attached, attachment, attack, attain, attainment, attempt, attendance, attention, attest, attire, attitude, attorney, attract, attraction, attribute, attribution, attrition,
auburn,
audacious, audible, audience,
audiovisual,
augment, augmentation, augur, augury, august, ant,
aureate, auricular, auriferous, auscultation,
auspicious, austere, austerity,
Australia, Austria,
autocoid, autarky, authentic, authenticate, author, authoritarian, authoritative, authority, authorization, autobahn, autobiography, autochthonous,
autodidact,
autoeroticism,
autohypnosis, autointoxication,
autolysate, automatic, automobile, autonomous,
autotrophic, autumn, auxiliary,
available, avalanche, avarice,
avant,
avenge, avenue, average, aversion, avid,
avifauna,
avocado, avocation, avoid, avoirdupois, avuncular, aware, away, awesome, awful, a while, awkward, axillary, axiomatic, axis, axon, azalea,
Azerbaijan,
azimuth, azole, azoth, azoturia, azure, azurite, azygous,